Okay, good day. Hello. Today I wanted to do an example about cosine law, another example about cosine law before we got on to sine law. A couple of you asked questions about this particular kind of problem, a two-step problem. So we'll take a look at this one here, okay? Here we have angle A, B, and C. So that means this is side B, side C, and side A over there, right? And we're looking to find angle C. So this is what we're trying to find here, right? Angle C. But we note that the cosine law for angles is cosine C is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared divided by 2ab. And in this case, in other words, here we need to know side A, side B, and side C in order to find angle C. And we don't know all three sides. We only know side C and side A. We don't know side B. Whoops. But we can find it. We can find side B because here we have that infamous side angle side. So we have that angle sandwich. And whenever you have that angle sandwich, we can actually use the cosine law to find this unknown side. And for that, we're looking for side B. So we're going to use b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of angle B. Okay? See that? Oops. Angle B. Something like that. Okay? So we're going to put in our numbers there, and we'll calculate to find side B. And then we can use that information to find to find side B. So 22 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 22 times 19 times the cosine of 79 degrees. And as I mentioned to you, I recommended that you put that into your calculator in one shot and calculate, and then we'll have the answer. Okay, so I'm going to pause this so I can do that calculation. Hi again. So there we go. We've finished that calculation, and we ended up with 685 and a half, and that of course is b squared. So we need to square root that to get b, and I've just forgotten what the answer was. So 26.2, right? So 26.2 is the answer for B. Kind of run out of space for that, so I'm just going to put it right into here, right? 26.2. Well, maybe I can squeeze it in, just so we don't forget again. So I now have A and B. A we said was 22, so 22 squared. B is this 26. You know, you can drop the decimal if you'd like. I'm rounding down. That's going to be okay for me anyway. And then C is the 19 squared. And then we're dividing it by 2 times 22 times 26, right? And for this one here, I recommended that we do this in 2 stages, right? So we calculate the top first and the bottom second, and then we'll inverse cosine to get the final result, okay? So I'll pause that as well. Here we go. Okay, so the top there, 22 squared plus 26 squared minus 19 squared was 799, apparently. The bottom was 2 times 22 times 26, which gave us 1144. When we divide those two numbers, 799 divided by 1144, we end up with 0.7, 70. So 0.7. And that's the cosine of angle C. Okay? So then to find angle C, we just need to inverse cosine it. So angle C is equal to the inverse cosine of 0.7. So angle C is equal to that second function, right? The inverse cosine of 0.7, right, is angle C. So angle C would be equal to 0.7. It's about 46 degrees. Okay, so there you go. That's the answer to angle C. So in doing this, we had a two-step problem. We had to find all the sides before we were able to find an angle. And you may have questions like that as well. Okay, thanks for watching.